I'm Rory O'Connell. I'm the general manager here at Husk Restaurant in Nashville. I've known of Gardens of Babylon since I moved here 6 years ago, loving the store at the farmers market. We really love working with the folks at Gardens of Babylon. Everybody in the company is wonderful. So what we were looking to do was tell a story. For us here at the restaurant, we source locally, so we are serving seasonal produce when it's growing. And one of the ways that we thought we could do that best was to start growing some crops here at the restaurant. We wanted to add some raised beds so that we could grow some crops here. Gardens of Babylon was the one that felt like the best fit for us in philosophy and in what they could do. And it has been a great fit for us. We added 6 raised beds. It enables us to get our hands dirty and understand what it takes for our farmers to get produce from the farm to the restaurant. It enables us to share with our guests what's growing seasonally, how it's growing. I love everybody at Gardens of Babylon, the whole team, from the owners all the way down to the folks that I get to interact with when I pick up flowers at the landscape center. Our team who comes out here weekly to maintain the property, they're awesome, great people. They do a wonderful job. They love what they do. Mostly I'm envious that they get to spend all day outside. They really enjoy it, and they keep our property beautiful. I think what sets apart Gardens of Babylon is the people. Their passion and love of what they do really translates into a great service. They help keep our property beautiful, and they do it with a sense of joy. We are so lucky to be in this historic, amazing building, built in 1879. People come to this restaurant and they are just blown away by how beautiful the grounds are, how beautiful the restaurant is. It's a really special place. Everything they do has really helped define this building, the experience that our guests have, and they make it a special place. And for us, Gardens of Babylon is an important part of what we do at this restaurant.